Okie dokie. Now, we went over our new concept and we learned about the sounds. So here we go. We're going to review, including last week's glued sounds. So here we go. Together. A-N-G, fang, ang. I-N-G, ring, ing. O-N-G, song, ong. U-N-G, lung, ung. A-N-K, bank, ank. I-N-K, pink, ink. O-N-K, honk, onk. U-N-K, junk, unk. Very, very good at practicing those letter keyword sound cards. Now, let's go and review them, just the letter names and letter sounds. So here we go. A-N-G, ang. I-N-G, ing. O-N-G, ong. U-N-G, ung. Okay, we go to our next column. A-N-K, ank. I-N-K, ink. O-N-K, onk. U-N-K, unk. Very, very good at those letter names and letter sounds only. Now, we're going to get into our vowel extension chart. Here we go. A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Wonderful job with those vowels using the vowel extension chart. So that sums up our drill sounds and warm-ups.